All right. This is just you just gotta plug the numbers in. It's a little confusing because of oh crap, where'd that go? Why did this? Oh, okay. It's a little confusing because of this guy, but I'll help you figure that out in a minute. Basically, you just gotta plug everything in, but there's two different things you have to do. It says solve for both roots. That's where this comes in. This is a quadratic formula. You may have learned about this in Algebra 1 or Algebra 2, which was a long time ago for you. But here's all you got to do. All right. Anywhere you see an A, you're going to replace it with the 3. Anywhere you see a B, you're going to replace it with a 10. And anywhere you see a C, that looks like the same color, you're going to replace it with a 5. And I missed an A. Sorry about that. All right. So we're going to plug it in. I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'll show you how to use your calculator to figure it out. But let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color code. I'm covering the X, but oh, that's not the right thing. Can't tell you how many times that happened today. So we have X is equal to, and I just like to draw the little fraction bar. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the negative 10, so we could do negative, and we could put the 10 there, because that is our B. I don't know if you need that color coded or not still. Maybe I'll color code when I'm done and you can cross reference just to keep this video a little bit short. Now this thing means that we have to do this problem twice. Once where we add the opposite of B to the square root, and once where we subtract. So we're going to do plus first. So we're going to do plus, and we're going to take 10. We're going to put it in parentheses, which doesn't matter this time, but it's going to be helpful for you to remember, because if B is ever negative, you're going to want that in parentheses. So we're going to do minus 4 times our A value, which is 3, times our C value, which is 5, all over 2 times our A value, which is 3. Now again, if you just want to cross-reference where that came from, here's all our A's, the red color. Here's all our B's, the green color. And here's all our C's, the purple color. And the rest is the formula. One thing is, though, I just got to make my square root stand out a little bit more. Now, that's how we set it up with the plus. The good news for the minus is we just recopy that exact same thing. We're going to do negative parenthesis 10, but here, because of this thing, we have to do a minus. All right, so we're going to do 10 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5 over top of 2 times 3, which is 6. All right, and maybe it'd be easier to just change that to a 6, because the less we have to type into the calculator, the better. I don't know what kind of calculator you're using. I'm going to use an app that is similar to the TI-83 or TI-84. All right, I'm just going to take a quick picture of this so I can not have to go back and forth too many times. All right, so we're going to switch here. So if you have this kind of calculator, you can just kind of figure it out in two different spots. I guess I should have messaged and asked, but whatevs. Anyway, we're going to do the opposite 10. We're going to do plus. We're going to do second square root. We're going to do parenthesis 10 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5. We're going to get that whole thing, which is negative 3.67. Yeah, you can read it. And we're going to divide that by 6. So we're going to divide by 6, and that's going to give us negative 0.0 or negative 0.61. I don't know what we have to round to. Negative 0.61. Oops, that's the wrong spot. Negative 0.61. I don't know what you have to round to, but and we'll change that to the approximate because we rounded. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing here, but I'm lazy, so I don't feel like typing that in again. So I'm going to go to, where is it? Oh, crap. I guess I have to type it in because I deleted it. That's okay. We're going to do negative 10 in parentheses. This time we're going to do minus second square root. All right, 10 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5. We're going to do that. and we are going to divide that by 6. All right, which is negative 2.72. And we'll change that to approximate negative 2.72. And that's how you would do that.